Beach Day Birthday by Cynthia Platt. It's Olo's birthday, his favorite day of the year. To celebrate, he's invited each of his friends to the lake. There's no place I'd rather be on my birthday than the beach, Olo stated. It took a long time to get there, but they arrived at last. Let's spread out our blankets and put on sunblock, Olo said. Then let's jump into the beautiful blue water, Sandy added. Or fly in, Peck blurted out. This lake is amazing, Rhea exclaimed. The water feels great on this hot day. Cody agreed. It would be even better if we climbed that ladder and slid down the slide. As soon as they left the water, Cody had an idea. She took out a ball from her bag. Let's play beach volleyball, Cody said. Then afterward we can throw a frisbee back and forth, said Olo. The more games the better, Cody replied. After frisbee, they all buried their feet in the sand. This is nice and relaxing, Rhea told them. I'm ready to build a sandcastle now. Let's begin working on it, Olo replied. It was starting to get late, and Olo and his friends were feeling tired and a little lazy. Is it time to go home now? Peck asked. Not yet, Sandy told him. We have something very important to do before we leave. What is in the box? Asked Rhea. It's Olo's birthday cake, Sandy replied. What a nice surprise, Olo exclaimed. I love cake, especially when it's for my birthday. Olo took a deep breath and blew out the candles. What did you wish for? Peck asked. I wish that my next birthday will be a blast too, Olo replied.